baby, no invites, just impact, got it.
Step in the room, it's a headline scene. Gold on my neck, real life, not dream. Velvet ropes part when they hear my name. Top floor vibes, I built this fame. Just so cold, that champagne glow. Paparazzi love the way I roll. From LA heat to Dubai sky, we toast to wins, no compromise. Every move is major league. Every glance, they know prestige. Cameras flash, the lights align. This lifestyle, yeah, it's all mine. In that VIP mood, spotlight smooth. Every step I make, got the world in tune. Private jet, no check in line. I'm the headline, yeah, the bold design. VIP mood, that global wave. Success so loud, can no one behave? Pop that cork, we born to shine. This the era, this my time. Else, red carpet drip, no stain, all class. Every frame, I'm built to last. Money can't fake this, vibe's too pure. Grind made me royalty, that's for sure. Smooth like silk with a boss like tone. Every city feels like home. Paris, Seoul, or New York night. I turn the flash into the satellite light. Ain't no stress when you earned your piece. All the noise just turns to beats. Caviar taste, I'm feasting slow, while the baseline burns below. Gold champagne, my aura loud. I don't chase, I draw the crowd. This energy's contagious, wild. Worldwide drip, VIP style. In that VIP mood, spotlight smooth. Every step I make, got the world in tune. Private jet, no check in line. I'm the headline, yeah, the bold design. VIP mood, that global wave. Success so loud, can no one behave? Pop that cork, we born to shine. This the era, this my time. Else, toast to the nights that built the crown. Toast to the grind that shut them down. Velvet dreams, gold champagne.